Welcome to our comparison video, where we delve into the similarities and differences between Doola and Stripe Atlas. Both are renowned for helping businesses establish their presence, but each has its unique offerings. Let's begin our detailed comparison. Doola offers a holistic approach to business formation, including banking, tax advice, and legal support. It's a one-stop shop for entrepreneurs. Stripe Atlas, on the other hand, focuses more on online business creation, providing tools for online payment setup, tax preparation, and basic legal support. Both services offer features to help launch your business, but they cater to different needs. Looking at pricing, Doola offers a subscription-based model, which can be more affordable for businesses planning long-term. Stripe Atlas charges a flat fee for business formation, which might be more suitable for businesses with immediate needs and a clear vision for their future. In terms of user experience, Doola is praised for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Stripe Atlas offers a similarly streamlined experience, but some users note that its focus on online businesses can be limiting for those seeking a wider range of services. When it comes to integrations, Stripe Atlas outshines Doola. With its robust API, Stripe Atlas integrates seamlessly with a broad range of third-party applications, making it more versatile. Doola, while offering solid integrations, doesn't have quite the same breadth. Both Doola and Stripe Atlas offer excellent customer support, but their approaches differ. Doola provides a personal touch with dedicated account managers, while Stripe Atlas offers comprehensive online resources and email support to answer queries. After our comparison, the winner is Stripe Atlas. While Doola offers a holistic approach to business formation, Stripe Atlas edges it out with superior integrations, a one-time flat fee, and a focus on online businesses. These factors make Stripe Atlas a more versatile and affordable choice for many businesses. Thank you for watching our comparison video of Doola and Stripe Atlas. We hope it has been informative. If you found it helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and insights. Until next time, happy business building.